Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to free up some disk space on your Chromebook. So Chromebooks, like any hard drive, has limited space, and in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to free up some disk space. So first thing we're going to do is open up the launcher. So if you see a little circle icon at the bottom left corner of the system shelf, you want to go ahead and left click on that, and then select Files. It should direct you right to this download section. So go ahead and double click on that. If you see downloads in here, I would recommend deleting pretty much anything you don't need. Might be a lot of installer files in there. You can just pretty much clear them out as long as they're not documents or something like that. And you also always have the option to back stuff up to Google Drive, which probably would be very smart for you guys if you have a lot of files on your computer, like pictures, videos, whatnot. Maybe want to back it up over there and get some more space. So that basically was my second recommendation. And again, you can see on the left side, it segregates the subjects by audio, images, videos, as well as downloads. So you can just go through here and just clear stuff out that does not fit what you need on your computer anymore. Perhaps it's outgrown its usefulness. And once you're done with that, you can go ahead and open up the browser, select the setting icon, the top right corner of the browser screen, and then select More Tools, and then select Clear Browsing Data. So at this point, you want to go ahead and select the Advanced tab, and time range, I'd recommend setting it to all time. And at this point, browsing history, download history, I'm going to do cookies and other site data, cache images and files. I'm going to keep passwords and other sign-in data unchecked, as well as autofill form data. And site settings, I'm going to keep all that unchecked. You're welcome to uncheck or check any of these options if you so choose to do so. It's fine with me. And you go ahead and finish that off by selecting clear data. And once that's done, restart your computer. Again, that should hopefully be about it. Give you guys a couple different things you can try. Again, Google Drive, there's a tremendous amount of storage. I think you get close to 20 gigabytes free nowadays, so it really doesn't make sense not to take advantage of that to some degree. However, I think by clearing out your downloads folder and any unnecessary videos you may have on your computer, I think it's definitely going to free up a lot of the necessary space for your computer to operate efficiently. So, pretty straightforward process. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.